Hello brothers and sisters, welcome back again to my channel, and my name is Javi. Thank you so much for being here for yourself, your true self, for making time to be present, to making time to be still, to be here now, to let go of the mind, to let go of the chatter and the habits and whatever has been processing out there. Thank you. Together we hold space. Together we amplify. We amplify the resonating frequency of being present. It is a higher vibration, a higher frequency. There's a reason they call it higher self and the lower self, the ego, the being stuck in the mind and being stuck in the personal self, being in a lower resonating frequency. And when you are in your true self, you're more free, more expansive, more liberating. There's no judgments, there's no limitations. You projecting that energy, that's what you're doing by being here present. You project that energy, and the people that you come in contact with are feeling that, they understand that, and as they understand that, they're like, whoa, let me adjust to where you're at, let me see how you see. Because we're going to see how they see if we don't hold space, if we don't maintain this presence. We are reflections of each other. We are mirrors of each other. So whatever okay, let me go back a little bit. People in this world right now are living reactively. They are observing you from their mind and reacting to you so that way they can relate to you. Like, really understand that. People live reactively, and most of you that watch this already know this. They're in reactive mode. There's no authentic, genuine self being expressed. It's more like, let me play it safe, let me be fearful and not step out of the boundaries because I don't want people to judge me, I don't want people to think of me weird, I don't want people to, like, you know, it's trying to fit in. It's trying to mold yourself to the what somebody else's framework is. You're reacting to how you think people will accept you, so that way you can act that way, so that way you can have a connection. But you being present, you don't do that. You being present, you being in your heart, you being true to yourself, what you're doing is you are literally bringing that energy to yourself first and foremost, and then you give them that space, you give them that opportunity to not be like that no more, and for yourself to not be like that no more. So that is powerful. That is so powerful. That is magic in its own way. And I hope you understand what this means, because you are doing it right now. A lot of the times we are living in our heart and we don't understand how much we are truly affecting and changing the matrix or the field out there. But you are doing so great. You're shining so much light, so much love, and raising the frequency. So people don't live in fear, so they don't doubt, so they can balance themselves. You do that. I do that. We do that. There is a reason I make these videos, and it's to do that, so that when you are out there watching and you are actually receiving these words and energy and whatever it is that you're processing as I'm expressing it, you can feel like a sense of like, whoa, like I'm uplifted, I'm thinking different, I'm actually not even thinking now, I'm aware, I'm here, like I have no fear, like what? I'm liberated. And we share this moment. It's a symbiotic reflection of each other. And you doing that more and more, me doing that more and more, we're expanding it. We are truly, truly, truly experiencing an awakening in this world. As this right now. It's that simple. It's that simple. You're just being yourself. Your true self. And it is some majestic thing that's blowing a new open dimension, you can even say. There's no words. It's hard to put words into the vastness of who we truly are and what we're truly doing here. There's no words. Our minds cannot put it into a box and say, hey, it's like this, like this, like this. It's beyond that. It's beyond any labels. It's beyond that. So, like, it's hard to try to express that. You just have to experience it. And when you experience it and when you're there, you know. You're like, I get it. I get it. And I know you watching this gets it. I'm so grateful to be here with you doing these videos and just being me out in the world, here in this time, in this way, in this awareness. It's literally a miracle. With everything going on, literally right now, it's a miracle that you can hold such pure consciousness and pure awareness. And it's so simple. It's so natural. Thank you. Thank you. I love you guys. Love you guys. Take a couple of deep breaths. Just ground yourself. It is so good to just be yourself. Just to be you, authentic, genuine, nothing to prove. That's what everybody's been wanting to do. That's what everybody's been wanting to be. But we police each other, I guess that's the word. It's like the movie The Matrix. Some people are so tied up to their identity that they're gonna hold on to it now. So for you to not hold on to your identity of your mind and ego and childhood programs and the whole spill of stuff, for you to be present right now is a miracle. And I'm so honored to be doing this with you right now. It's so great. Today I had a beautiful day, and I'm just sharing with you guys the just joy and love that I was experiencing today, and hoping it just really transcends and really goes through the camera into your heart, and it really just lights you up, because that was the whole intention of this video. I didn't really have much to say other than just to speak my heart, and I just love doing videos in this way, just to speak my heart and just to like connect with you guys and help us be here alive and not be in some suffering state or pain state or repeating cycle state or whatever state. We are in the real state. The true state. So let's stay in the state. Thank you guys. I love you guys. Namaste. Blessings. Amitabah. Peace be with you. Blessings. Look at this shirt. Peace be the journey.